Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. I've got an interesting gist for you from the Ultimate Love show. Roxy wins Ike Risa in Ultimate Love maiden edition of Couples Game. Roxy was able to show to the world yesterday that they have been able to know themselves to a reasonable extent by beating Ike Risa in the maiden edition of Ultimate Love Couples Show. The show, hosted by Chivia, featured exciting questions that measured the depth of intimacy and awareness between the couples. Each couple was made to answer 10 questions each, with each question carrying 5 marks. For Roxy, they were able to answer all 10 questions correctly, bagging 50 marks in all, while Ike Risa got 45 marks. The show was both fun and full of show of intimacy. I was really scared when um Ike Risa, had their first score, which was the 45 points they had from answering 9 questions correctly. So when it was Roxy's turn to answer, I was scared that Rosie and Kachi haven't known each other well. I think that was what I thought, man. So when the game started, I was surprised that Rosie and Kachi got all the questions correctly. I'm really happy for them, and I'm happy they've really got to know themselves very well. I hope they stay together for long. Hope Roxy. Okay, guys. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section and also show your support for Roxy. Okay, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when the story drop. Stay tuned to Naija News and Entertainment for more gist on Ultimate Love reality TV show.